All right, this first 20 rounds since I got the Sig back from Sig Sauer. Here's the first rounds through it.
Did I hit him? Did I hit him? All right, here we go.
Oh my God, are you fucking kidding me? So,
First
first shot,
Wow.
got a failure to extract. So,
Move to another target.
let me fix that.
Okay.
Alright.
One more.
Fucking first round. Okay, I'm gonna try this again.
Good. Thank you.
Same thing. 2 magazines. Balloon. Fire.
You motherfucker.
Don't bother looking.
Another one.
Target.
Time for a Glock.
I'm gonna sell this piece of shit. Alright, so there's the second one. This is the first round. First one. That was the last round. And the last round is another failure to eject. You can see the round is still in there. Okay. So that was 3 failures to eject on the first mag. Here goes the second mag. Failure to eject. Alright, finish this mag.
Twice. I did look down twice, but I'm doing better.
You are.
I am.
You're conscious that you're doing it.
Alright, that's it. There's like 2 failures to eject on the second magazine. We'll keep going and see what happens.